In today's rapidly evolving world, learning new skills has become more important than ever. Whether it's acquiring a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or honing your coding abilities, the ability to learn and adapt is crucial for personal and professional growth. However, embarking on a learning journey can be filled with numerous challenges, from finding the right resources to staying motivated and overcoming obstacles. But you will surely be surprised if we tell you that you can actually leverage ChatGPT to transform your learning experience and propel you towards mastery of any skill. You might wonder, how can ChatGPT do that? Well, make sure to watch till the end because in this video, we will uncover how this AI-powered tool can be harnessed to enhance your learning process, overcome obstacles, and unlock your true potential in any area of expertise. Ready to learn something mind-blowing today? Let's get started. One effective approach to boosting productivity while studying any subject is to identify the vital topics that yield the greatest results. This is employing the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, which suggests that approximately 80% of your results or achievements stem from just 20% of what you're learning. However, pinpointing this critical 20% of high-yield topics can be challenging and time-consuming for any given subject. Fortunately, with the help of GPT-4, you can command it to construct a focused learning plan based on this principle. For instance, you can use a prompt, "You are a learning and productivity expert," and in a blink of an eye, the AI crafts a roadmap that hones in on the 20% of topics responsible for 80% of the practical applications in a chosen field. It eliminates the overwhelm of trying to cover everything simultaneously and guides you towards the core knowledge that truly matters. Once a purposeful learning plan is already established, the next challenge is crafting a study schedule. Rather than exerting your own mental energy, you can entrust this responsibility to AI. With a few simple inputs about your availability and preferences, you can instruct the AI to conjure a study schedule that aligns with your daily schedule and routine. It ingeniously accounts for dedicated study sessions, intervals for revision, and moments to put your knowledge to the test. Swiftly, the AI conjures a meticulously tailored schedule, paving the way for focused and efficient learning. With the learning plan and schedule in place, what you need next are the necessary resources. Here, AI emerges as your tireless curator that will guide you through numerous learning materials. You can ask the AI to present you with an array of resources encompassing videos, books, podcasts, and interactive exercises tailored to different learning styles. This saves you countless hours of manual searching. You can also specify whether you prefer free or paid resources and even request resources that align with your specific learning style, such as visual resources. But the process doesn't end with passive consumption of information. Active learning expedites the learning process, and AI proves to be an invaluable ally in this endeavor. Utilizing AI, you can ask for project ideas tailored to your current skill level, such as beginner-friendly video game projects if you want to strengthen your coding skills in Python. These projects enable you to apply newfound knowledge in practical, real-world scenarios. With the AI as your guide, you embark on hands-on projects that refine your coding skills. Project execution often demands deeper understanding. Rather than succumbing to hesitation about asking others questions that might seem simple, you have a friend to ask help from. Leveraging the remarkable capability of AI to unravel complex subjects, you can engage in an enlightening process known as the Feynman technique. With a simple request, ask the AI to explain the intricacies of a particular subject in the most straightforward manner possible, as though explaining it to an 8-year-old. This approach not only dispels any reservations about asking seemingly elementary questions, but also fosters a deep comprehension of the topic at hand. Moreover, AI extends its support beyond mere simplification. It provides a rich repertoire of mental models and analogies that serve as powerful tools for grasping complex ideas. By drawing parallels between unfamiliar concepts and familiar experiences, the AI facilitates connections that bridge the gap between the unknown and the known. These mental models act as scaffolding, easing the cognitive load and paving the way for a more comprehensive understanding. But the AI's contribution do not stop there. It possesses the ability to guide visualization exercises, enabling you to immerse yourself in the subject matter and foster a practical understanding of its application in real-life scenarios. Through these exercises, abstract concepts take on tangible forms, transforming into tools that can be wielded in solving problems and making informed decisions. In this manner, the AI becomes a trusted companion on the journey of knowledge acquisition, unraveling complexities and transforming them into accessible insights. Its expertise in simplification, provision of mental models, and guidance in visualization exercises empowers you to conquer challenges with confidence and gain a deeper understanding of the subjects you encounter. In the pursuit of active learning, obstacles and challenges are inevitable. Sometimes, concepts are quite hard to grasp, questions start to multiply, and we doubt if we're doing things right. This is where we find AI beneficial. Employing the Socratic method, you can engage in a back and forth dialogue with AI where it acts as a mentor and poses thought provoking and open ended questions, which challenge you to articulate your thoughts. It then provides constructive feedback to each response, thereby stimulating critical thinking and encouraging deeper analysis. To tackle difficult topics, one effective approach is to utilize worked examples. Worked examples are fully or partially solved problems that provide a scaffold for understanding. By observing the steps taken to solve a problem, our cognitive load is reduced, making it easier to grasp the topic. And just like a good teacher, ChatGPT can break down complex concepts into simple terms and provide analogies that resonate with us. To utilize ChatGPT's assistance in understanding a challenging topic, let's say Pythagorean theorem, you can prompt it as follows. As a learning expert specializing in Pythagorean theorem, provide me with mental models or analogies to help me understand and remember this difficult topic. Break it down into simpler components and include a test at the end, but don't give me the answers and then tell me if I got the answer right when I respond. ChatGPT will then work through the examples with you, helping you develop a deeper understanding of the topic. Do you want to learn a different language, but learning something foreign can be overwhelming? Well, you can use AI. Practicing a language is crucial for proficiency, and conversing with native speakers or engaging in role-play scenarios is an effective way to practice. While platforms like Duolingo and language tutors are beneficial, they can be costly and may not always provide immediate conversational practice. Here's where ChatGPT can shine with its translation features and creative abilities. By using variables in the prompt, you can set up various role-play scenarios in real time with ChatGPT. For instance, you want to practice your French skills. You can prompt it with, "You are a language tutor. Conduct a roleplay in French language with me. Assume the role of a tour guide. Respond to my questions in that language and provide a brief critique in English after each of my responses. Start by greeting me and waiting for my response." This allows you to engage in language practice, receive real-time feedback, and immerse yourself in conversational scenarios. In summary, you can employ various AI-driven methods in your learning process. These methods can be valuable treasures in your self-education journey. If you have any additional AI-based learning methods to share, or if you're already utilizing any of these methods, feel free to share your experience. It's always fun learning with each other. And to see more exciting and helpful videos like this, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more learning.